Assalamu alaikum, dear friends, and welcome to another video. You are watching Learn with Kamran, and today we are going to look at some common English sentences that you can speak in a modern, stylish way. So, have a look at these sentences. Nice to meet you. You can also say it like, pleased to meet you. I slept very well. I slept like a baby. I am very happy. I am over the moon. How are you? How is it going? I don't have any money. I am flat broke. I am very tired. I am worn out. Can I come in tomorrow? Can I drop in tomorrow? Why are you so angry? Why are you so pissed off? Very important. Essential. She is very cute. She is adorable. तो कैसे लगे आपको ये सेंटेंसेस? अगर अच्छे लगे हैं तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दें, कमेंट कर दें, शेयर कर दें अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें अगर अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो। चलें, बहुत शुक्रिया वीडियो देखने के लिए। फिर आइंदा किसी और वीडियो में मिलेंगे। अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।